It's alright to stand. Clap your hands, oh ye people. Come on. Shout unto God.
So guys, I'm going to be I've got the conditioner I'm going to be using, like I said, the mineral shampoo from More. So I'm going to be using it today. And first of all, I've got my lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold. I'm going to go ahead and unravel my hair. This is how I've worn it for some time now. I'm just going to go ahead and unravel it. And first of all, I will drench it with a lot of water so that it will soak and then soften the build up so that I'll be able to wash it off. So this is it. You can see some build up right there. That shows it's due. These are just the treatment I've been using underneath, and some oils. That's why you see the builder. So I'm going to stay like this. I'm going to start from the root. So the most important bit in this hair is just my scalp, because this is extension. The most important bit is my scalp. As long as my scalp is clean, I'm good to go. So So because my scalp is dirty, because of the build-up, I need a lot of shampoo that will make it very foamy. So I'm going to use the tips of my hand, of my fingers rather. So for some reason this shampoo is not foaming yet, because my scalp is really dirty, I presume. That's why it's not, don't know if you can see the color of water that is coming out. So I'm going to go ahead to make it quicker for me. I'll go ahead and use my homemade Black African shampoo first on my scalp to see if it will be faster for me.
The name of a God be praised. I will lift up my voice in the praises of my King, for He's worthy and greatly to be praised. Say, I will praise His name. Come on, somebody. It's all right to praise Him. I'm gonna praise His name.
So I'm just using hot water, like complete hot water on this, because someone commented on the video and told me to use hot water on this, that I'm going to love it the most. So I'm going to be using hot water just down here, not on my scalp. Please make sure you don't drop this on your scalp if the water is quite hot. This is very hot. So I'm done washing this and I'm happy. I'm gonna show you the build up. Oh no, most of them are still there. Look, I think this is some of the soap, but the back, I don't know how the back looks like, but I'm gonna keep washing and I'll show you the afterwards. What? I thought it was gonna be over. No, it's not over yet, and I'll show you guys later what my outcome is. Stay tuned, guys. So I had to focus exactly where this build up is, which is my front face, and I used my hand to go this way. Just so I've checked so far, my scalp is clean, there's no build up on there, and I guess because I was focusing just there, that's why it was still left over here.
It's alright to stay. Clap your hands, all ye people. Shout unto God with the voice of triumph. For our God is wonderful. He's marvelous.
So I'm just gonna leave it there for just a few seconds and I'll wash it off, and then after that I'll show you guys what the final look is. I know I've said 2 times, but I'll show you guys what after look. But just like, and you'll be wondering how I took off the build up. This is how I did it. Just put the African soap I have on my scalp, and then I use my bare hands to rub like that, just circle around it, and yeah, I'm just leaving for a few seconds to see if it would come off, if if the build up will just get soft. I know it's not so, like, it's not a build up like that. It just, because I was focusing there and then the water was coming out from here. I don't even think it's a build up, to be honest, because looking closely it doesn't look like one. So this is just soap. So I'll come back and show you guys what. Hey guys, so I'm done washing it and this is the after look. There's still a lot of water drenching down my back, which I hate so much, but at the end of the day, this is the final look. This is what I came out with. It's clean, it's ready to go again, even though I can see little things on there which I think they are soap. Okay, I still got some soap on my scalp which I'm gonna wash more, but this is what it's going to be like. I'm literally tired of filming. I need to go on with my life now. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off completely, and I'll be ready to dry it and rock it back again. I don't think I'll show that process again, but then I'll bring an update to how the hair is doing, you know. And someone just messaged me this morning, like I said, and said to me that I have, mine is 7 months old now, and she said put it in hot water and you come back and thank me later. Immediately she said it, I replied, I said, ooh, I'm gonna do that right away. So you know, I just decided to wash it. You know, it's been 1 month. I think it's been 5 or 6 weeks now. I'm not keeping count, but yeah, I think it's due for me to wash because I've been using all the whole things on my scalp just to keep my scalp hydrated, moisturized, and all that. So all the whole things I'm using are the build up you see there. So I'm going to put some oil. After this, I'm just going to dry with hand dryer, and after that I will just put some oil on the extension itself, and then my own oil on my scalp, which is going to be the oil. There's a cream I have there that has mint inside it. So if I put the mint, kind of like makes me feel, you know what I'm talking about. So that's what I'm gonna use on my scalp, and that will be it after that. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video. For people who are asking me if I wash dread, yes you do. Even though it's extension, every hair, you wash every hair, even if it's normal braids or twist or whatever it is, you wash them. If your hair is dirty, is itchy, just wash them and moisturize again. That's what you do. Every hair deserves washing. You can't just keep a hair and say if you can wash. Yes, you wash every hair and they don't damage. Rather, they become very subtle. They become very comfortable to wear. They become very lightweight after drying and all that. Trust me, you will love it after that. So yes, you do wash every other hair. And thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in my next other video. I will bring an update to this hair soon, you know, to show you guys how I'm going on with it. For some of you who wants to make it but are not sure, I've made it for someone 2 days ago, and I made a shorter one for her. I'll probably put the clip there so that you see. So if you're around me, you want to make this hair, remember, it's not 1 day hair, it's not 2 days hair. If you concentrate, you can do it under 2 days. If not, it's going to be 3 days. And yes, as long as you want a shorter length than this. If you want a longer days, just keep 4 days. Yeah, we'll do it. So I will see you in my next other video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.